Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to link PayPal to Amazon. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Of course, you can also go and log in or download the PayPal application from Google Play Store or the App Store if you don't have one. Then you can go and log into your profile or register if you don't have a profile, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have, as you can see, the home, send, wallet, activity and help. We have send and request and other different options here. But now guys, let's see how to link a PayPal to Amazon. Of course, for this guys, you'll need to have an Amazon account also. So hop on to amazon.com and create an account here also. Then launch the amazon.com in browser and log into your account information as I already told you. Click the account list options under the upper right. Then when you clicked on the account and list option in the upper right corner, click your payment section. Then click the add your card button and add your PayPal debit card. It is that simple. Just note that there is currently no way to link your PayPal account directly to Amazon, but you can do it just like this that I told you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, of course, as always, bye guys.